90% of content marketing is done by teams with 5 or fewer full-time employees. And really half, or almost half in the B2C case, is done by teams with 0 or 1 full-time person. So it's a lot of work to do. There's a lot of great content marketing that's happening, and it's being done by so few people. And so that's what I want to help today, is let you know you're not alone. A lot of people are challenged and face the same situations that you do. So let's get started with your favorite topic of the content marketing strategy. Here's the difference. Documented content marketing strategies mean more success. So really more people find success if they have a documented content marketing strategy than if they don't. So it needs to be written down. And that's one of the challenges when your team is small. You think, well, we know what's going on. We don't need to worry about getting it all in writing. And that just seems like a lot of work to do. And we're just getting the day-to-day done from that. So we have to focus it. And so you don't think you need it written down. But if even more than one person is there, and if you have a boss, which chances are you do, you need to make sure that everybody's on the same page. I am a big proponent of a one-page strategy. I've been on both sides of receiving and producing the FUD factor reports, which create a thud when they land on the desk because they're 100 pages or 50 pages of all this great research that was done and put together. And I've also known that those are the things that sit on shelves. Maybe the one person who commissioned it reads it, but certainly the executives aren't, the sales team aren't. And if you get the content marketing team to read the whole report, that's going to take days to get done. So that's why I believe in one page. The idea is to make it something that everyone can read quickly and that will remind you and others on the content marketing team or who are working with content marketing, whether it's freelancers, of the strategy. It gives you your grounding point, your centering point, your foundation. And that's why it's so critical. I say put it up on the wall, on the bulletin board next to you, put it on your second screen, put it on Post-it notes around your camera or your screens from that, whatever it is, so that it reminds you if whether you get multiple requests coming in, how do we handle this? You have your grounding document to always refer to. Should we be doing this? And how are we doing what we're doing?